This is a simple and fast review of the GOSUHI 113-inch 3-seater modular corduroy sectional sofa. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, assemble it, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you get this out of the box, lots of parts and pieces, stuff like that. Also instructions come with each kind of box. You got an A, B, C, all those parts. And then of course a D through R. I'm not sure what that means, but a D. And so everything seems to be labeled kind of the proper ways. So we will see there are a lot of different parts and pieces. So this will be a fun assembly. All right, so first of all, this thing looks great. I would let it expand the pillows specifically for a little bit. They, they're shrink wrapped, so they're going to need to breathe to form a little bit. So, if you look at these were flimsier to start. I would give it a day or so just to kind of make sure they look and feel good. But overall, this thing is really, really great. You might need to just kind of adjust as it expands and everything like that. I can't explain how soft it is. It's like so comfortable and really just soft all around. Great couch to nap on, hang out on. Great for college kids. Great for first apartments, stuff like that. Or just like a kind of a room where it's going to be kids just beating the heck out of stuff. It's fantastic. But that said, it looks great. So it could really go anywhere you want. I haven't decided exactly where I'm going to put this yet because I'm debating trying to throw that over in that general region. But I may end up putting it down in my basement. I'm kind of deciding what my kids are going to do with it. So either way, I'm real excited about this. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.